Sonic! Look out! It's Eggman!
Oh!
What the heck is that?
Can't see anything! What's going on?
We were wrong about you, Sonic. You are better than us.
Thank you for saving the village and my baby again.
I knew if we left you alone long enough, you'd step up and save the day.
While I appreciate you taking partial credit for my heroics, Amy, there is someone that actually deserves my thanks. Mike. Without his help, I never would have seen Eggman coming. You're more than just a guy, Mike. You're a hero.
Oh, neato.
Oh, man, we thought we were the baddest in town, but then Eggman showed up with his claw doodad.
Look, I appreciate what you're trying to do, but you're just not good at it.
Yeah, you're not good at it.
Ugh, and I suppose you people could do better.
Let's see those sensitivity hats, boys.